Mic check, mic check, mic check. You're welcome to Quebec 9. My name is Ola Harry, and today we're talking about key levels. Guys, thank you very much for joining me. And don't forget to click on the like button. Smash the like button. Smash the like button. You're welcome, guys. Okay, so we're going to have a beautiful trade today, I can assure you. And all our predictions have been on point. If you've been following us, you will see that we are always on the market all the time. We are always ensuring that we make the best decision for our trades. And I believe as you're following up, you are also making better decisions for yourself. Okay, so our topic for today is trading key levels. Trading key levels. This is very, very vital for you to trade key levels. Okay, key levels are always very important to trade, in as much as you know what you're doing. Okay, so let's see how everything works out. Let's see. Okay, so I hope you guys can see my screen is well laid out today compared to what we had on Tuesday. Okay, compared to what we have on Tuesday. So before we start this session proper, guys, don't forget this YouTube live is brought to you by bybit. Bybit is the sponsor of this particular segment. Don't forget that we are always on live trading Monday to Saturday. We are always here every blessed day, except Sundays. So out of those 6 days, we decided to bring out just 2 days to come on YouTube. We are always on Telegram. Okay, so just in case you want to join our Telegram channel, just on the description below, click on the link. You'll be able to join our Telegram channel so that you can join our daily trades. Okay, daily analysis, understand how to trade. And this is not the only class that we have. We have 3 major classes. We have 3 classes we use in trading. We have beginners class, which helps those who are just coming into the crypto space. And we also have advanced class, those who are already trading and want to ensure that they are consistent in trading. So I can assure you that this platform serves as motivation for you going forward. Okay, we also have the masterclass. If you want to trade with me, you want us to share our trades, you want to understand strategy, you want to learn strategies, yes, then I can assure you that masterclass is a place to be. You want you and I to trade together, you want to build your account all the way, then masterclass is a place to be. So those are the 3 major classes that we have, and don't endeavor to join us. Okay, so if you want to know how effective our training are, join the advanced class and you'll see how effective our analysis. So today, our topic for today is still trading key levels. And guys, don't forget, if you're just joining us, click on the subscription button if you're new, and also smash the like button, because this video can be recommended to a lot of YouTubers, a lot of people online. Okay, so that's it. Now we want to talk about trading key levels. Let me outline some things. So if you can hear me, you can see my screen, please drop your high. Drop high. If you can see my screen, you can hear me loudly. Let me be sure that yes, I'm audible. Let me be sure that you can see my screen and I'm audible. Please drop high, drop high in the comment section. Drop high in the comment section. Okay, so I believe everything is going well. Okay, beautiful. Thank you very much for that. So here we have trading key levels. If you can see my screen, then you will see this. Okay, let's open new screen. So here, trading key levels. Okay, definitely is very simple. This is how key levels are. So if we have a confluence, when you're talking about key levels, we're talking about trading confluence. Okay, so we have this up, right? So we have here as a support, and it's also a confluence. Okay, so if the trade comes back here, this place becomes a key level. Okay, very simple. But there are different types of key levels. So number one, like this. Number one, we have moving average. Okay. Moving average. Number two, we have demand and supply. Which is the last one. We have trend line. Okay, so these are the things I'm going to explain. So these are the different types of key levels. So on my screen, I will show you how it works. So mic check, I hope I'm audible. So here we have moving average, we have demand and supply, we have support and resistance, then trend line. These are what you're going to use to identify your key levels. Okay, so why are you trading key levels? It's better you trade key levels because you can make better quality decisions. Okay, you can make better quality decisions. That's the reason why it's very good to trade at key levels. Not that you can't trade at other levels. Yes, you can, but it all depends on your strategy and how sure you are of what you're doing. And you know that when it comes to trading, you have to be very sure. This is not guessing at all. You don't have to guess anything. Okay, trading at key. So this, I will now explain to you how you implement all these key levels. This is very important. I think we're going to have a separate video for this. No, this is a live class. We're going to have a separate video that will, expatiate more on this, trading key levels. Okay, so the next one will now be, these are after all these key levels. These are the things you will use to trade each key levels. So number one, we have trend line, trend. No, not trend line, trend. Okay, identify either uptrend, downtrend, or sideways. Yes, trend. Okay. Number two, ranging. Yeah, if the market is ranging. Okay. And number three, okay, let me explain. I just don't want to list everything like that. Let me explain as I proceed. Okay, when we're talking about trend, we're talking about uptrend, which is more or less like this, up. Now you will probably experience higher highs, higher lows. So this is high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows. Okay, so this is an uptrend, and you can see the way the trend looks. Up is on upside. Okay, then we have downtrend. The same thing. You found lower high, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Okay, so here is HH, which is higher high. Okay, then this is higher low. Okay, higher low, higher low, higher low. Okay, then for the downtrend, we have it like this. Okay, yes, so we have lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Okay, then we also have number two, which is ranging. So we have this like this. Okay, don't forget that what I'm explaining, these are the things we need to determine trading with all these key levels. Okay, all these key levels, these are the things you need to trade key levels. Okay, so let's continue. Then we have pullback. This is Teggy. Pullback. So in case you're new, I know most of us were new. Okay, someone said my dark screen. Let me see if I can switch off my dark screen. Yeah, I think some people actually complained about my dark screen. Yes, so my phone generally is on dark mode. Yeah, it's on dark mode because of my eyes. That's why my phone is constantly on dark mode. I hope you guys can see my screen now. It's now white, as you can see. It's now white. Then for my trading view, so let me take my trading view off dark mode. These are the things we're going to be using regularly. So we have menu. So this, okay. So let me just off this. Yeah. So just for the purpose of this training, I will switch my phone to white. I will switch it off dark mode. Okay. I hope we are good now. Are we good? So if you can see my screen clearly, please drop high. Someone said my screen is blurry. Okay. Okay, just refresh. It will be clearer. Yeah, just refresh. Sometimes network is always very bad. Okay, just refresh. So now I have my white screen. I hope this is better. So if this is what you want, I hope it's cool like this. This is what you want. I hope we're on point. Yes, I'm now on my white screen. So this is also, yeah, I think the internet is not very strong. Okay, beautiful. Yeah, so someone said better that we can. Let's continue. Yeah, so number 3, we have pullback. Now, when you're talking about pullback, it simply means that we have a trend. Okay, then that trend hasn't ended. You know, it can't just be going all the down like that. You understand? So let's go back. So when we have down, there will be pullback, down, pullback, down, pullback, till to now begin to give us double bottom. I can tell you see, trading is very interesting if you understand, and you're going to make a lot of money if you understand all these things. Okay, now I'm beginning to spot out very important things that you need to know. Just go and study, go and master those things, and I can assure you are done. Like price action, go and understand your price action very well. Then these key levels, I can assure you that you're going to be doing fine. You're going to be doing fine when it comes to trading, right? Okay, so having said that, that is pullback. That's for pullback. Then the next one will be reversal. Yeah. So number 4, reversal. Yeah, definitely when we have a trend, at a time that trend will end. Okay, okay, you said it's worst with the white screen, and someone said, okay, I need to get feedback. Okay, I need to get feedback from you guys. Let me know, is the white screen better than the black screen? Which one do you prefer? So let me know. Just anyone you prefer. I just drop either black or white. Okay, anyone you want. Don't worry, my screen will be much more clear. Anyone you prefer, drop either black or white. I'll wait for you guys. Wait. Drop black or white. Okay, so you guys said it. Okay, I think the screen should be much more clearer now. So drop black or white. Just drop black or white. Let's see. Drop black or white. I'll be waiting for response. Just refresh. Refresh. So when you refresh, then the screen should be much more clearer. Okay, so drop. Let's see. Yeah, so guys, for reversal we have this. Okay, so we have black mode is better. We have black mode. Someone said white mode. Someone said black, white. Someone said, I think the network, the black mode is better. The white mode, So we are having a lot of mixed reaction here. Then someone said the screen is clear now. Yes, I actually changed my network. Then the dark mode. So we are having mixed interest between the dark mode and the white mode. Okay, the screen is clear now. Yes, the white mode. So we have 4 people saying white mode, 4 people saying dark mode. So please drop which one do you prefer. Drop the anyone you prefer. Drop the one you prefer. Let me have it. Let me have the one you prefer. Okay, so that I will know. Just make sure that the screen is clear before you send your judgment. Okay, because someone was saying, oh, my screen was very dark, they could not see what I was doing, and now this is the white screen, so we are still having mixed reaction. So which one do you think is cool? Okay, which one do you think is cool? But as for me, because I can operate both ends. As for me, I think the dark screen is good for me, but I don't want to be the judge here. The white screen. So we have 6 people saying that white screen is better, and we have 5 persons saying that the dark screen is better. Okay, so we need more entry. So guys, don't forget, as we are sending our judgment, don't forget to smash the like button, guys. Smash the like button. Click on your like button. Don't forget, if you want to trade with me, you want us to trade all together, just join the masterclass. That's what I'm doing now. You want us to trade together, then join the masterclass. That's the only place I'm giving that opportunity. Okay, and if you're new, if you're much more new, if you're very new to Web9, or you're new to the crypto space, you can join the beginner's class. If you've been trading, you just want to continue to learn, then the advanced class is a place to be. This is where you come every day to learn. Okay, so let's stay on the white screen. Yeah, so number 4, we're on reversal. So how does the reversal works? This is it. We are on the downtrend, for example, downtrend. Okay, then reversal is more or less like we now have downtrend, pullback, downtrend, uptrend. Okay, this is a reversal. Can you see that? Yes, that's the reversal. So then number 5, we have breakouts. Number 5, we have breakout. So if we have a reversal, right, we have this, we now have, okay, so from here, this is breakout. Can you see that? Uptrend, pullback, uptrend. This is a reversal. You can see that even the reversal shows something like head and shoulder. Okay, something like head and shoulder. So that's just the way it is. Okay. So let's try this. Someone said the dark screen is better on the yellow pen. Let's try that. Let's try the dark screen on the yellow pen. Okay. Yeah. So let me change the pen color to yellow. Okay. Make it lighter. Okay. Yeah. So let's use this. I think so. I believe you guys can see this. Yes. So I just wrote yellow. Then if you can see the yellow clearly, then I think you are on point. Okay, guys. Don't worry. We're going to have the video uploaded. I think that should be much more clearer. Okay, when the video is being uploaded, it's going to be very, very clear. Don't worry. I'm very sure about that. Okay, guys. You can see that we've been able to explain how to make use of key levels. Then after that, we now have to go into the real charts. Okay, then after the real charts, we have to check signals from Bitcoin to other coins. It all depends on which coin you want me to do analysis for you. Okay, guys, I hope that's clear. Network is a bit slow. Okay, so just refresh. So when you refresh, it's okay now. Yeah, beautiful. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you. Okay, so let's remove this. Now let's go into the charts on what you are good at. You see, all this moving average, supply and demand, support and resistance, trend line, it all depends on the one you know how to use. These are different strategies you can use to trade. Some different strategies you can use to trade. And it all depends on the one that works for you. And if you can master all and be able to use all these things differently depending on the market, what the market is presenting to you, then it's up to you. Okay, yeah, so that's it. Okay, so let's go to the charts. Yeah, don't forget we have top-down analysis. Okay, we have top-down analysis. Bring on my pen. We have top-down analysis. Yes, okay. So top-down analysis will help you to analyze and know where to enter your trade. Now look at this. You will agree with me that this is a downtrend. Let's use this. Okay, this is a downtrend. Okay, this is a downtrend. This is a downtrend. Now let's pay attention. Now you can see that we identify this as a downtrend. Definitely what we are looking for, look at this, and we are already at area of confluence. Okay, area of confluence. Please pay attention. Let me remove this. Area of confluence. So this is it. Can you see it? So we have two supports meeting at the same level. Can you see it? So we have this arena here, we have the support here, we also have this. Can you see? Okay, This is support. We're using support and resistance. Okay, but when you find support in a very strong area, then you can call it demand and supply. And look at this. You make use of support and resistance on the lower time frame. Okay, demand and supply is mainly for the higher time frame. So look at this here. That is a supply zone, and this is a what? Demand zone. Can you see that? This is what? A demand zone. Now the market has been dropping, right? There will be a time it will get to a reversal arena where it will reverse. Okay, so we are almost getting to that level, but it still doesn't mean we won't, in between the line we won't have downtrend, uptrend, downtrend, uptrend. But the only place you can check either you are at a demand zone or a supply zone is from the higher time frame. The lower time frame won't give you that accuracy, because on the lower time frame we have a lot of noise, a lot of things that are happening on the lower time frame. So the higher time frame will give you that accuracy you're looking for. So let's see. If you're finding it very difficult to catch up, just with that you'll be cool. Just refresh. Okay. So I'm looking for another demand zone, supply and demand zone. I think this represents a trend line. Yes. So the one I showed the other time, I've shown you guys demand and supply. Okay, I've also explained support and resistance. Okay, then this is trend line, trend. Okay, this is trend line. So how many do we have? We have trend line, ranging, pullback, reversal, and breakout. Okay, so I've explained. Okay, sorry, hold on. Yeah, so I've explained demand and supply, trend line. So we're still going to explain moving average. Okay, so this is it. So we have moving average, demand and supply, support and resistance, and trend line. So I've explained 1, 2, 3. So I'm on this. I'm on trend line here. Okay, so here you can see trend line. So trend line, you also deal with area of confluence. So we have this 1, we have this 2, we have this 3. Okay, so trend line also help you to identify your support and resistance or demand, whichever one you want to call it. You can see that it's the use of the trend line that helps us to identify this area of confluence. Can you see that? Okay, so that's trend line. Then for moving average, an indicator. Okay, go to let's say 1 hour time frame, and then come to indicator. Let's see, is it on my box? Moving average. Okay, let's type it here. Let's use this moving average. Okay, it has been added. Yeah, can you see that trend line? Can you see that line? So this moving average has its own settings. So let's click on it. Hold on. Very well, so that we can select the moving average. Yep. Okay. So let's use 50 moving average. Then let's change the color to white. Okay, white. Let's make it thicker. Okay. Yes. So that is 50 moving average. Can you see that? Can you see it? Can you see the trend? So this is area of confluence. Area of confluence. This is, can you see this? 1, 2. Can you see that? You can see a reversal here, up. You can see a reversal here, down. Okay. So now depends on how you can make use of this. So can you see area of confluence? Can you see that? So that's the advantage of moving average. Moving average is also a very wonderful tool to trade with. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see it? Can you see? Okay. Can you see? So if you check the history, you will see a lot. Can you see a lot of confluence? All this area here, they are confluence. The moving average helps you identify the confluence. Okay? Moving average, can you see? Yes, some people are very good at this. So it all depends on what you can revel with, what goes well with you. Yeah, so now let's now go into detailed. Since we've been able to identify the trend, okay, so we have moving average. We've been able to identify the key levels. Okay, which is moving average, supply and demand, support and resistance, then trend line. Those are the major. At least, even if there are more, I can tell you that with this, you're good. Okay, with this, you're very, very good. Okay, so let me remove the moving average. I don't use it. I don't use it. Okay, yeah. So now, if we want to do proper analysis, okay, you want to do analysis, then this is up to you. I will ensure that I guide you all through. So let's use BTC as a case study. Let's go to the higher time frame to understand what trend are we currently. That's the advantage of the higher time frame. If you are a day trader, then you probably need to understand types of traders. Okay, we have scalper, day trader, swing trader, and position traders. Okay, you must know where you belong. So all these things, you have to build all these characters. You have to be disciplined. This is what makes you a better trader. So guys, don't forget, smash the like button if you've not done that, and if you're new here, subscribe to this channel. Okay, so this is 4 hours time frame. Look at this. For BTC, it's been a downtrend. So let's use our trend line to understand if we're there yet. Okay, so with this trend line, the trend line says we are not there yet. Okay, so what we are waiting for is reversal. Okay, that tells you that now don't take any trade until reversal happens, because when reversal happens, it gives you that assurance, it gives you that courage to take trade. Okay, yeah. Now look at this. This is influence. Okay, key level. As we speak, we are now at key level for BTC. We are now at key level for BTC as we speak. Now look at this. Can you see? 1, 2, 3. We are now at key level for BTC. So you can see that I'm using this explanation to carry out this analysis. Okay, so that at least we can understand what we discussed today. Okay, so before I go into deep analysis for BTC, so that we'll know how to go about it. Before I go to get deep analysis for BTC, guys, don't forget to smash the like button, and if you've not subscribed to this channel. I will be really grateful if you do that. Okay, then don't forget that this segment is brought to you by bybit exchange. That's the official exchange that sponsored this particular segment on YouTube. We are always online from Monday to Saturday. So out of those 6 days, we took out 2 days to come on YouTube. We are always on our Telegram channel to discuss all these things, or to have our daily meetings, discuss different things that happen in the market, do analysis, understand where else to go. Okay, this is our own trading community, and you can also join. If you're new, you can join us, and if you are enjoying what we're doing here, then you can also be part of the community by joining the Telegram channel. Okay, so that's it. So, and don't forget, we have 3 major classes. This is not the only classes we run. We run the beginners class, which is very suitable for those who want to start trading and you want to learn proper. You want to understand what you're doing. Just don't want to guess, and that will probably be a very good decision for you to make. Okay. Now, on that, we also have advanced class. This class we have currently is an advanced class, and it's free for everybody. The beginners class is not free class. Okay, it's a paid class. Likewise, the third one we have is master class. Okay, you want to trade with me, you want to know my next move, you want to know what I'm doing, you want to be able to take successful trades, then believe me, master class is the place to be. And you want to learn strategy, you want me to teach you how to trade strategies, then that's what we do in master class. It's not for beginners, it's not for advanced traders, those who want to have their own strategy, not for those who want to take signals. Yes, I drop signals in the master class, but it still doesn't mean that you shouldn't know what you're doing. Okay, so that it's based on that we created the master class. So if that's what you need, then join me. Okay, so moving forward very fast, let's quickly know what is going on BTC. But before that, let us go on this. Now let's check investing.com. Let's check the news. This week has been very active in terms of news. Let's see what's going on today, because when it comes to fundamental, we have to understand fundamental and technical analysis. They go pari passu. Okay, you don't have to neglect one for the other one. So today we have initial jobless claims. Okay, that's what we have today, and it's also showing us that those 3 bulls. Okay, showing us those 3 bulls, and I think it's something we should take very serious. So that will happen. Let's check the time. That will happen by 2:30. 2:30. Okay. So most of all these news always have a way of impacting on the markets. It makes the market very volatile. So if you know that you don't know how to trade the market, just exit. Don't get involved. After the volatility, you can now continue trading. Okay, yeah, because volatility also can put you into a big loss. Yeah, I hope you understand that. Okay, just to make everything go around, guys, drop your location. Yeah, we now have more people in the house. Drop your location. We start our analysis. Drop your location, guys. Drop your location. Drop your location. And if you can see and hear me clearly, just drop your high as well. Drop your location, guys. Drop your location. Okay. So let's see what's going on BTC. Yeah, mic check. Mic check. Yes, okay. So we have Elizabeth from Ondo State. You're welcome, guys. You're welcome. Drop your location, guys. Keep dropping. We have Samson Chinaza from Adamawa. You're welcome. We also have Excel Blinks from Indian. Wow. Indian. Wow, all the way from Indian. Thanks for joining us, guys. We also have Abdulrazak Isa from Kano State. Thank you very much for joining us. Confidence Emmanuel from UK. You're welcome. Okay, we also have JF Kennedy from UK. You asked if the news will be favorable to BTC. With the look of things, that particular news might not be favorable to the UK. Okay, so looking to the BTC. Now look at this. Let me just push that across. You know, we always have forecasts. So let's see if the forecast has something cool for us. So here you can see that the initial drop claim, this is it. Forecast is 195. That tells you that the news will favor USD, and if it favors USD, definitely it will affect BTC. So that will be a downtrend. You understand? So anything that is positive here simply means it favors what? USD. Anything that is negative here meaning that what is it doesn't favor USD. And anything that favors USD, that makes USD go stronger, any currency against it will what? Will devalue. Let's assume you're trading USD GBP. Yeah? And if USD will be stronger at this time, GBP is the base currency, right? So that simply, what does that mean? That means that the market will drop. Okay? The market will what? Drop. So let's check this. So on bybit, here we have USD. We have BTC USDT. Don't forget that USDT and USD, they are one-to-one, stable coins to one. So it reacts just like USD. Okay? So that means that the news will favor USDT. What will happen? BTC will drop. Okay? So based on the forecasts, yeah, based on this forecast says 195. The previous was 190. Okay? So that shows that it will favor BTC. So that's the way it works. Yeah, we have more people joining us. We have Ghost Mad Media from Lagos. How are you? Engineer Kolawole from Port Harcourt. You're welcome. We have Barnabas from Jos. You're welcome as well. We also have Pyros Ventures from Kwara State. You're welcome. Anthony from Ogun State. How are you? How are you, Anthony? Do we have a game? Yeah, someone want to know more about the beginner's class. Beginner's class, this is a class where we learn what is Bitcoin, how does Bitcoin works, what is cryptocurrency, you know, understanding how to trade spots, how to trade features, understand how to use your trading view, you know, all the elementaries. Okay, you will learn everything all the way to advance. Okay, you will learn all the way to advance, to become an advanced trader. Then after you learn the advanced trading, then you have to be coming to the advanced class every day. Okay, to brushing up, to practice till you become a pro trader. And if by the time you become a pro trader, you're already making money. You see, that's the steps to take. Don't jump the gun. Okay, yeah, don't come and say, oh, you got liquidated, oh, you lost your money. These are the reasons, because they will teach you how to protect your account using proper risk management. Yes, proper risk management. That's very important. Okay, so let's go. Yeah, now looking at this analysis, and I come here. Okay. Yeah, for now we haven't gotten to that reversal, but we are at key level. Okay, we are at key. See here we have a double bottom. Can you see it on the 4-hour time frame? And it works so well. Move all the way to the top, and here we are now at that same key level. So we are still waiting for what will probably happen. Now this is how you go about this if you want to trade this. Now the key level, the previous level, which is this, you come and analyze it. We now put, let's put this thing here. Okay, so it's touching a lot of wicks. It's touching here, touching here, touch here, touch here, you know, everything looks good. Yeah, so now coming back here, now what's going on here? You can see already there is, that shows there is a lot of buy order around that confluence. Okay, around that key level, there's a lot of what? Buy orders around that area. Now, here, that means if you want to take a trade, if any candle close below this trend line, then that gives you a wake-up call. If a candle close below this trend line, then that tells you that we are still going all the way down. But now that it's still rejecting, it's fine. Already it has a small double double bottom. Compared to this, you can see the way it looks. It came here, down, reject, down, and it's rejecting again. Okay, yeah. So, but here it looks more pronounced. Can you see it? It looks more pronounced. We have down, we have up, we have down, then we have up, pull back, up. You see that? So let's do the same thing here. So here we have step number 1. This is the double bottom. You know, all the market will not be the same. You understand? You have to understand this. So we have this is the lowest and this is the highest. Okay, at least for now. Then look at this. Can you see? You can see the way everything formed. See the way everything formed. Down, up, down, then up all the way, pull back up. Okay, so here what do we have now? Looking at this, it still looks like the market is still ranging, you know, we're still waiting for different activity to happen. Now I'm going to put another horizontal line here. Yes, so I believe that it's going to consolidate within this. Down, up, down. Now this is still very small, so we're still waiting. Okay, we're still waiting. Let's see what will play out thereafter. I think we still need to wait more. To understand the outcome of everything. More. Don't be in a rush. This is about money. You don't have to be in a rush and at the end of the day you're losing your money. So be patient, and I believe I can assure you that we're going to make money from this. So for now, the market is still ranging. Unless there is a breakout to the downside, down all the way, or there's a breakout to the upside, pull back all the way. So we're looking at 21,822 as breakout. Then the pullback is somewhere around 22,000. Breakout to the downside, we're looking at 21,539. Okay, that's the breakout we're looking at, all the way down. Okay, when it breaks out, then it will pull back to that level. There'll be a pullback for us to confirm that yes, we're in downtrend all the way. Okay, so we're still waiting for this to play out. So guys, be patient, don't be in a rush. Now there are other coins. While BTC is trying to get his feet on ground, then you probably see a lot of opportunities in the market. Okay, there's a lot of opportunity, but don't forget that BTC can influence any coin. Okay, BTC can influence any coin, so you have to be very, very careful. You have to be vigilant about this. You just have to be vigilant about this. Okay. Yeah, so let's see. So our decision will be based on this and this. Okay, so that's it. So let's come all the way. Let's check Ethereum. For Ethereum, let's see, area of conference. Yeah, Ethereum. Let me clear all these lines. Okay, let's see what's going on. So for Ethereum, it hasn't gotten to that area of confluence. Okay, it hasn't gotten to that area of which is that's using this. So if it was somewhere here, then we'll not tell you that yes, we are at area of confluence. Okay, so but for now, you can see that it's still very far to that area of confluence. But there is a way to check. Let's double check. Now here, so we can also use this place to determine our, and don't forget, you can also use BTC to determine what's it called? Ethereum. Okay, you can use BTC analysis. Yes. So here we can see that it's rejecting from here. Okay. So we're waiting for any candle that will close below that. Then we're waiting for a breakout here. Here. Yes, that's the breakout area. So if it breaks out to the upside like this, that's better. Okay, it breaks to the upside. Then the final breakout, which is this. Okay, so it's better you catch the market very early enough. Okay, catch it early enough. So if the market breaks from here or pull back from here, this entry good is early enough. That's very early. So you can see by the time it moves all the way here, you are in good profits. Okay, you are in good profit around that area. And which other one? You can see that yes, that's just the sculpture here. So after when you are done with the 4 hours time frame, we'll move to 1 hour time frame. This, you now see more candles. Yeah, you look at it, the more. Okay, so most of the times I always want to place my entry below any candle. Okay, so the lower time frame will help you get early entry. Okay, the lower time frame will help you get what? Early entry. So that's the advantage. That is the advantage. Okay, let's see. Yeah, so you can see that we already have something like double bottom here. So the 1 hour time frame is giving us that level very clearly, double bottom. Okay, if you have to trade this, allow this candle to close. Okay, allow this candle to close, then you can now place your entry. Now don't forget that this is not an only gray. Now whenever now you can see that we are using the wick. We are using the wicks. So if any candle close below, you have to close the trade. So if you have to go for this, then all the way here, this is your stop loss somewhere here. So that will be ratio 2 to 1. Yes, stop loss 0.5, take profit 1%. So this is just short trade. Now if you find out that the market is rejecting around here, then you can close the trade, then wait for breakouts. If it breaks out from here, there will be a pullback. But wait, hold on. On the 1 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame is telling us that this is the neckline. Okay, this is the neckline, so we have to put another line. That's a zone. Okay, so that's a neckline breakout we are expecting. So from here, anything outside here, it simply means it has already broken out. It's already out. Okay, so when you are trading on the lower time frame, be very careful, because market can just change. Yeah, this is 12 already. So you can see how this candle actually closed. You see the way it closed? You can place your entry now as we speak. Place your entry. Yeah, place your entry. Don't forget, if any candle close below, on the 1H, this is 1H, okay? So before we conclude now, let us see another time frame. Yeah, beautiful. This is the 15 minutes time frame. On the 15 minutes time frame is looking much more clearer. So let's see. So on that, you can see the whole structure of the double bottom. See? Can you see that? Can you see that? Okay, so here, even in between this place, you still have that double bottom here. So for the lower time frame, you have to adjust this all the way here. Adjust it. So this is your entry. Your entry is still good on that level. Now this is your stop loss. If your entry is 15 minutes, I've shown you. If your entry is 1 hour, I've shown you stop loss. Okay, if your entry is 15 minutes, this is your stop loss. Everything still looks good. Okay, just make sure that you obey. But the mission is we are still coming all the way here. This is the mission. This is where we are coming. So let's see how everything will play out, if it will play out well or not. But this is how you go about it. So guys, if you have any coin, drop your coin. Let's do analysis on your coin. Do we have more people? Then we have Abiola Lawal from Abuja. How are you? Okay, you're asking, is key level the same as demand and supply? You see, key level is like a general name. Demand and supply, when we're talking about key levels, there are different things you can find at key levels. You can find support at key levels. You can find demand and supply at key levels. You can find support and resistance at key levels. Okay, that was what I mentioned. You can also find moving average at key levels. We can also have pivot points at key level, but the reason why I didn't have pivot points is because I don't have strategy for it. You understand? I use double bottom or double top. So, but pivot points, I think, to me, I think it has more of this, it makes you guess compared to when you are sure. It makes you guess. Let me give you an example. This is a pivot point. Look at this DYDX. This is a pivot point. Can you see it? 1, 2. Can you see? This is a pivot point. Yes. And currently I'm on this trade, but the reason why I'm on this trade is not because I'm using this pivot point strategy. No, because I'm using this strategy. Look at it. You see? Can you see? Can you see what I'm using? Can you see it? Yes, this is what I'm using. Okay? So, if you want us to trade together, you want to join me, join the class. You know, I will probably show you how I'm going about this. I will give you update and everything. So that's it. Masterclass is a place to be. Okay, guys. Yeah. So drop your coins. Let's EOS. Let's check EOS. EOS. Let's check EOS. What's EOS saying? Yeah, you can see EOS actually predicted the downtrend. Okay, so let's now EOS is at let's say demand zone. Okay, let's see. Let me remove this. Yeah, that demand zone is not really clear like that, but let's use it. You can see this area here. You can see here. You can see. So look at this. This is the area of confluence, right? This is the previous area of confluence. Then we're looking at this. Okay. So as far as I'm concerned, you are late to this trade. So if you are trying to trade this now, you will be struggling to make money. Okay, make sure that when you have a coin, monitor your coin. When it gets to your area of confidence, be ready to take decision. You can see that this DYDX, I've been monitoring this thing since last week. Yes, this where is it? DYDX. See, I've been monitoring this since. So immediately it got to this area, I took my action. Not that when it has gone up, you're not looking at, that's another thing you have to consider. Monitor your coin, wait for it, let it get to your area of confidence and take your action. I can assure you that with that, you will make more money. With comfort, conveniently, good profit. Okay? So can you see? I'm late to the party. I am not late. You can see what's going on now. Can you see it? I'm not late to this party. Okay? I already have my entry and is already proceeding, and let's see how, even if it pulls back, I can still wait. Compared to when you get to somewhere here and you make decisions, it will be very, very difficult, and you have a lot of buyers. At the end of the day, it's either you lose or you close small profit, and you don't have enough confidence in the system. Okay, so make sure that you understand how to do the right thing. That's important. Okay, and I believe that's why you're asking questions. So as far as I'm concerned, this EOS is already late. Okay, the only thing that will give you that audacity to have that strength to come back and trade it is when there is yes, you're good. We're going to have volatility around 230, right? They can be pulled back. Since we already said the news will not fit, definitely there will be pullback. So you can take advantage of that. So that's how to use the news as second, just like second chance, another entry. Okay, so this EOS, look at it, look at the margin. Look at the margin. Eh? If you enter this margin now, you'll be struggling. If there's small pullback, you're scared. See, over 4.6%, that's a lot. Okay, but if it comes back to give you a double bottom, bravo, like this. Yeah, bravo. Okay, so when it comes back, right, so you want to ensure that no candle is closing below before you take your long, so it can give you that strong double bottom. You can see the way BTC looks, and Ethereum, you can see the double bottom is still there, right? So I think with this is better. Even now, with the look of things, if I go to on the 1 hour time frame, it's already getting to area of pullback. It's getting to a level where it wants to pull back. So let's see. You can see that I'm getting to that area. Yes, it's even there. See, can you see? So here there will be a pullback. Yes, there will be a pullback. So the only time you want to trade this is when there's a breakout. It has to break out to the upside, pull back, then up all the way. Okay, this is how you will trade this. Wait for breakout. Can you see it? You see, you can see this area. It has to show momentum, because it's from here it pulls to the downside. So the trade has to show you proof, okay, that is going up. So this is, we are going to have this 1 hour time frame. So you're going to have breakout, pullback, uptrend. Okay, yeah, that's what we're going to have. Then there is another obstacle here. It's just the charts on here. Yes, so that simply means that you can experience this uptrend, pullback. Okay, you can experience that as well, then uptrend all the way. Okay, so that's it. Then your target should be somewhere here. Your take profit target should be somewhere here. That's it. So if you want to trade this, wait for breakout and retest, and you go all the way. This is your entry. So that zone is your entry. That zone. So between, let me label it for you. And whenever you see yellow line, that means entry. Then this. Can you see? So that's your entry zone. That's your entry zone. Now, usually I don't like to trade coins like this. Now, most of my trades, I always ensure that I understand the stop loss. Okay? Now, normally your stop loss is supposed to be like this. This is supposed to be your stop loss. But this is way too much compared to what you want to achieve. You want to achieve 6.5% and your stop loss is 6%. That's already, that's not smart. So what I will do, I will just come to the lower time frame and check for better opportunity. Yeah, this is better. So this is presenting to you that this is your stop loss. Stop loss is around 2%, which is cool. That's good. You see that? If you have to enter this, for you to enter this trade, there have to be breakout first. Don't just jump into this. It has to break out from those lines. When it breaks out. So I hope that's cool. So we have, let's go for sushi. I think the internet is a bit slow. Yeah, sushi is here. So let's click on sushi. Okay, so don't forget top-down analysis. We'll go back all the way to 4 hours. 4 hours. So don't forget that I said double bottom is also a reversal. Let's carry this. Let's use this. Yeah, area of confluence. We are there. Can you see this guy here? Okay. So when we come here, yes. So already, yeah, this area, this is how we're going to react to this trade. This trade shows that it's still downtrend. Okay, so look at it. This is 4 hours, don't forget. So let's shift this guy here based on the current situation. It's touching 1, 2, 3, 4. Everything is on point. So this is like more like a pullback. Okay, so we have this bottom up. Okay, down, up, down, up. So this is another strong base. You see, that's another strong base for you. Another strong base. Our time frame. Okay, now look at this. Okay, you can see the breakout. You can see the downtrend all the way. Somebody has made profit from this. You can see it breaks out, pull back down. Okay, so here it's now trying to redeem his image. So let's see if it's going to meet up. Let's see if it's going to meet up. So continue to monitor this. For you to have a smart trade, is it that you wait for double bottom, okay, or wait for breakout. Let it break out of this guy before you take your trade. Then this is your entry. Okay, 1.163 is your entry. So when you come to the 15-minute time frame, to probably show you more possibilities and how everything will look good. Okay, it's loading up. Loading up. Yeah, okay, we are back. Yeah, so you can see all these things. Okay, so we are going all the way to the top. Can you see that? So the same thing, the same decision you're still doing. You're still going to use. Wait for that double bottom. Yes, see what happened here. Okay, well, this even as a result of this downtrend. Okay, so here, wait for that double bottom before you go all the way up. Okay, yes. So what do we have? We have MKR. Okay, let's check. MKR has really gone down. So I actually saw it today. MKR has really gone down. Guys, take your time to learn all these things, please. Take Take your time to learn all these things. This is how to make the money. This is how to make the money. This is how to make the money. Okay? Because someone said I should do the YDX. I'm currently on that trade. Well, let's see how it goes. Okay, so we have, let's go to the 4-hour time frame. What's going on there? Okay, it's a bit slow. Let's wait. Yeah, we're back. Okay. You can see that MKR is at area of confluence. Okay. Yeah, it's consolidating. Yeah, that's good. Can you see that? This is good. This is very simple to analyze. Yeah, all the way to the top. Yeah, look at this. Can you see? So we are at area of confluence, consolidation. You see, I would love for this coin to break down to the downside like this. It's going to be very sweet. That would be a very sweet trade. But if it goes up like this, you're not sure. You're not sure to get to this take profit. But anyway, let's see what's going to happen. But this is not bad. Okay. Area of confluence. This is it. Key levels. You can call it area of confluence or key levels. Anyone you want to use. Key levels. That's it. So here. So we have this hammer. Let's go to lower time frame. So now that we are seeing this rejection, probably you really can't do so much here. Okay, it's on a lower time frame that will tell you what to do. Trade like this is not really interpreting a lot on the higher time frame. It's on the lower time frame. You look at your entry already. You can see the trend. It looks like recovery. The trend. Okay, so let's capture that zone. Let's capture the zone. Yeah, that's a zone. Okay, so that tells you that what it can still reverse back here to form a double top. So be very careful. So this is the real breakout. This is not the breakout. This is the real breakout. Okay, this is the real breakout. That's 840. Yeah, 840 psychological level. That is the breakout. Okay, so that's good. That's still looking good. That still looks good. Okay, let's see. Okay, so let's let me look at it. Yeah, okay, so let's see if we can take that risk. You see that because it's not forming double bottom, you really can't. It's giving us a pivot point. So it's always very difficult to trade when you have pivot points. This was a very good entry. And this is good risk. And all the way. First take profit. This is the first take profit. That's your first take profits there. This place. First take profit. This is the entry. This is the entry. Can you see that? This is the entry. So if this can really give us that double bottom, I can assure you, you're good. Okay? Well, let's check previous. See, pivot point. Can you see? Pivot point. Now, another thing about pivot points, how to trade it is uptrend, pullback. You have to use pullback to trade it. To make it, just to be sure. You don't want to guess. I can assure you. Then, let's go to 15-minute time frame. 15-minute time frame. Yes. Well, as for me, okay, if I see this trade, I'd rather trade the downtrend than the uptrend. Okay? I'd rather trade the downtrend than the uptrend. So that's it. Well, I've already given you the idea. So wait for the trend to be strong, then pull back. At your pullback, you can place your entry. So that's it. So let's go all the way to fail. Let's see. Fail. Network is a bit slower. Let's wait. It's coming up. Okay, so we have fail. That's Altcoin. Okay, let's go all the way. I think I have a pending trade on this. Yes. Okay, so we have this. Yeah, we have that trend line. Okay, we have the trend line, and we also have this as area of confluence. Okay, we have a lot of things here. Of confluence is not really strong. Well, we can see a breakout. Okay, we can see a breakout for the fail. I hope you can see this. You can see this breakout. So let's check the lower time frame. What do we have? So we're having higher highs, higher lows. So it's an uptrend anyway. You can see something like head and shoulder. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is a neckline. So it's already breaking out. Yeah. So it's supposed to break out, pull back. So you can place your trade as we speak. For Altcoin, you can place your trade now. Yes, you can place your trade now as we speak. So now there might be pullback. So when you see the pullback, don't be scared. The only problem I have with this trade is the stop loss. Just make your stop loss as small as possible. Okay, can you see that? Can you see something like double bottom breakout? Yeah, that's a breakout already. So that's why I said that you can place your trade now. There's a breakout already. You can place your trade now. So you can see that it broke out of this level. Can you see it? Because of that level. So this is your first take profit. This place. That's your first take profit. Though the market is still struggling. Okay, that's why you have all this top P, you can see a lot of candles. See? A lot of candles. So let's use this to determine, let's use another trend line to determine the stop loss. Here, from here. Yes. Can you see that? So when you're trading, don't let any candle goes beyond this trend line. Okay? Because going beyond that trend line is more like a breakout and retest. Don't let any candle goes beyond that trend line. So you have your entry, place your trade, make your money. So do we have next? We have okay, how can I identify of confluence? I already said it. Like this. Let's say here we have double bottom here. Okay, so the market actually went up. That's traded. And if it now comes down back to this place, that's area of confluence. You see, 1, 2. This is area of confluence. So area of confluence is, you can also call it key levels. Okay, this is where you are coming to take decision. You're coming here to take what decision? That's area of confluence. Yeah. Who again? Okay, you see my screen is blurry. I guess it's the network. Sorry about that. Okay, it's the network. Network is a bit slow from my end. Okay, not your own end. Okay, XEM, compound and XEM. Let's just do comp. It's going to be very fast. Okay, Let's see comp. On the comp, what do we have? Yeah. Okay, for comp, just leave comp alone. Nothing is happening yet. Let's check Zen. Okay, let's use this. Yeah, area of confluence. Okay, so you can see that we have this 1, we have this 2, then we have this 3. It does area of confluence over there. Okay. Yeah, then if you can even use trend line, you can use a horizontal line. Yeah, see that horizontal line, can you see it? Yes. So let's expand, let's see what's going on here. Okay. Let's go. So there's a bounce on the trend line. Let's go to lower time frame. If you can spot there, we can see a double bottom. Okay, we have 1, we have 2. This is the neckline breakout. So let's mark those areas. So here, let's mark the breakout to the downside. Then let's mark breakout to the upside. This is it. So it hasn't broken out yet, but it has a double bottom. Okay, is getting ready to break out, but it hasn't broken out. Okay, yeah. So here we have. Let's go to lower time frame. So just wait for breakout. That's all. Wait for breakout. Your breakout is already at that line. If it breaks out, wait for pullback. So up, pullback, up. So that's how you go about it. And which other one again? Yeah, I think dots. DOT. Okay. What do we have? Okay, we have area of confluence. We have supply demand zone. These are the demand zone. This is the demand zone. Up, okay. Demand zone. So what's going on there? Let's see. Let's look at this. Okay. Yeah, that's good. Then here, let's see. Okay, so let's see if it's going to maintain this area to the upside, or we want to maintain it to the down. It's going to happen. 1 hour. Okay. So on the 1 hour time frame, we have this. Okay. Then we have this. So wait for breakout. Wait for breakout. That's the breakout. Yes, this is even perfect. I prefer these dots to what's it? XEM. This is better. Yeah. So this is breakout to the upside, pull back up, or downside. Okay. So if you come to the 15 time frame. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, that's good. That's cool. So you can even see on the lower time frame we have a double bottom. Okay. So this is a neckline. Let's make it bigger. So for the lower time frame, this is a neckline. Okay. So it hasn't broken out yet. So wait for it to break out. Let it test. So you can break out like this on the lower time frame now. Uptrend breakout. So this is take profit 1. If it breaks out from here too, that's pullback. Take profit 2 will be at the top. Let's see. Then take profit 2 will be somewhere here. Okay, yeah, so we have uptrend, pullback, uptrend, pullback, uptrend. So this is TP1, TP2. Okay, so I think, as I said, that this is more, but this is better. I like this compared to the other one. Yeah, so guys, now please, how can I know which line to draw? Okay, I think you need to join the beginners class. So guys, thank you very much. This segment was brought to you by bybit. Thanks for joining me. I hope you guys understand, you know what to do. Send message on the Telegram channel, then we can continue from there. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye for now.